so that we're perfectly prepared to salute the sun today. Surya, Namaskar, Salutation to the sun. I'm starting with my feet right underneath my hips, not close together. And we're going to inhale, opening the arms up, looking up at the thumbs, and exhale, coming forward, bending the knees. Letting the breath move easily. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, fold and step forward. On the next inhale, you're going to step back to the top of the push-up. We're going to stay here for one breath. So slowing down with some salutation. Breathe. Inhale. And as you exhale, you may drop the knees if you like, but you don't have to. We squeeze our elbows towards the sides, lowering down to our belly. Chaturanga Dandasana. Relax the tops of the feet. Inhale, open the chest, press up. Bhujangasana Cobra. And one other variation is as we exhale, instead of going into downward facing dog, we're going to shift the hips back over the knees, slide the arms forward, and drop the chest. Puppy instead of dog. Breathing into the upper back. 3 breaths here. A little modified sometimes here together. And down facing puppy, puppy roots face under, coming up into a tabletop position. And as you inhale, walking your feet towards your hands, looking forward. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, we come all the way back up, looking up at our thumbs. And exhale, the arms to the side, ready to start. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, softly fold. Inhale, lengthen the crown away from the tail, back up. Exhale, plant the hands, high plank. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, lower yourself down, all the way down. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale, the hips go back, the hands come forward. Downward facing puppy, 3 breaths. You can rest on the mat or the forehead. Slowly deep breaths, opening up the upper back through. On the next inhale, come into tabletop, tuck the toes, and walk to the front of the mat, flat back. Keep your front. As we exhale, forward bend, relax the head of your shoulders. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, arms to your side. In vinyasa, you have to connect the breath with the movement a lot of the time. But your breath is going to be different than mine. The movement, when you're first learning it, is going to be too challenging to get through to the next breath, or your breath is going to become labored. So you always slow down your breathing and worry about matching the movement to the breath later. Try not to let my cues confuse you if you are trying to be steady in your own breath. All right, let's do this one more time. May get easier, may not. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, folding forward bend. Let the knees be soft. Inhale, flat back, looking forward. Exhale, top of a push-up. Take a whole breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Release out, it's fine. Exhale, chaturanga. Relax the feet. Inhale, cobra. Oh, here comes the sun. You heard the welcome. Exhale, downward facing puppy. Slide those hands forward to really open up the upper back. 3 deep breaths here. And next inhale, we come up into tabletop and flat back. For those with me here. Exhale, fold. This time relax the neck and shoulders. Soften the knees and grab opposite elbows. And we'll take a little sway from side to side. Releasing tension in the side body, shoulders and neck. See if we can soften the muscles of the jaw. And we're going to roll up. So we're going to drop the tail, round through the spine. Head is going to be the last thing to arrive. Taking the hands in front of the heart, thumbs lightly touching the sternum. You can keep your eyes open, you can close them here, and we breathe 3 breaths.